Hi, it's Morel here. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button. So what's my channel all about? This channel has been set up so that I can share with you how I have been earning a passive residual income for the last 2.5 years. So I'm recording this in May 2019. So I'm going to share with you how you can get your hard-earned cash actually working for you whilst you sleep. This is how we create generational wealth, and this is how you'll be able to spend your valuable time doing the things that you love with the people you love. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, in a moment on the screen you're going to see my email address pop up, so please contact me directly. I also have a dedicated Facebook group, so make sure you click that link, which is in the description below, and it's also in the banner above this video. Okay, so come into my group, and there you have direct access to all of my training tutorials. I also go live every Monday on YouTube, so again, make sure that you subscribe, and then you won't miss any of my live videos, and you won't miss any of the videos that I update on a regular basis every week. Okay, so not only do I talk about building a residual income in this group, but what I'm also going to be sharing with you are all the tips and tricks and skills that you need if you want to actually build your own home business and you want to do this online as a network marketer. So there's going to be lots and lots of great value in here, and you will have access to all of this. Just make sure you subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching my welcome video, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.